this is the transmutation toy here, like this, just like that, and its name is transmutation, and I can this call, I cannot this word, cannot this get good transmutation. I call this like a Murawin. That's good, eh? Huh? Just like that, and this is, yeah, in little robots, and your eyes, and your face, it's so good. I like that, yeah, chin, her hair, is mohawk, the mohawk, and not, chorus next, and next is name of transmutation, like that, a fit, so, so big, so long, like that. I can buy this in $50, $50. $50, I have no plastic use because I buy this in America. So now, it's $50,000, $50 in America.
Dapat meron din batas. Tayo. Kapag ikaw nag-enforce na matino ka, sinuhulan ka, kasi mo ng yung motorista, para patas. Kasampang dito, palagi naman sila nasira. Pero wala rin natin yung mga nagawa, walang traffic enforcer. Tandaan.
Not so bad, right?
Kaya huwag kayo patay gusto na tanggapin niyo.